Well, guys, this is it. This is the big sign that we've been waiting for in the crypto market. It's happening right now. And while the retail bears are in their death throes, large institutional money, big players in the space are heavily accumulating. And guess what? Shiba Inu is actually showing a lot of resilience as this is taking place. And I want to show you guys something very unique that's happening for SHIB right now that we're not seeing across the rest of the crypto market. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So Shiba Inu is actually showing a lot of resilience in these levels. I am loving what I'm seeing. This is the best that Shiba Inu has looked, frankly, during this bull market cycle. Even as we went on our massive pump to the upside, guys, this is an even better setup. The resilience that you're seeing with SHIB is something that you're not seeing across the market right now. In fact, SHIB is just very tightly bound, sitting on top of support, fighting against resistance here. And each one of these days is pumping just slightly higher. This is a very good sign. And again, if you guys haven't checked out my indicator, you guys can see that even from that buy zone opportunity yesterday, we're up about another 5%. So this is all playing out exactly perfect. All right. And this is all while BTC is trying to make its move. It's setting a little bit higher candles on the daily, and we're still fighting this resistance at 68.5. That's kind of the level we need to breach to really open things up. But the trend is being set for one specific reason, and that is because institutional money is just buy. They're smashing this buy button day after day after day. In fact, over the last 5 days, it's been to the tune of $2.1 billion. In fact, this week we have these set up to have the highest institutional buying week ever. I want people to really think about that right now as BTC is breaking out, as most retail is still kind of in flux, trying to decide what they're going to do. Institutional money is about to set up for the biggest buying week they've ever had. That is a huge deal that people are sleeping on right now. BlackRock is kind of leading the way on this. You guys can see they had another massive day, $309 million worth of BTC added. This is a trend that is not changing right now. And this is a big reason why across the market, BTC is showing a lot of strength, showing a lot of resilience. And right now, a lot of assets are having trouble versus BTC because that BTC dominance is just so heavily on the rise. It's actually pushing towards like 60%. It's trying to get there right now. And frankly, if this continues, there's a huge possibility of this actually taking place. But what's more interesting about this, I will say, is that Shiba Inu is actually showing a lot of strength versus BTC, while most other assets are bleeding versus BTC right now. Even from just a couple days ago, SHIB versus BTC is down only about 3% or so, 2.5%. And that's a very big sign. So while BTC is moving, SHIB is moving right along with it. As some entities have dumped their Shiba Inu, SHIB is staying resilient. This is the exact type of setup you want to see from SHIB right now. It's doing quite well. All right. And again, if you guys do want to check out my indicator, there is a link in the description below. I forgot to mention that there's a 7-day free trial. Anybody using that right now is doing exceptionally well, seeing some great things taking place. And I have to say this right now, we're on the verge of possibly causing a few more short liquidations. Now, it's not to the rate of what it was before. Shorts, the bears, they're actually getting a bit nervous. And you can see it by this distribution here. Look at this short interest above here. It's quite small. All right. It's still to the tune of, hundreds of millions of dollars, if not billions of dollars. But you guys can see the big disparity here, how much long interest has filled in below here. And there's a huge gap, right? This short liquidations don't start really until about 68.3 or so. So that's kind of why we're on the quest towards that in terms of BTC. If we start to get into some of those ranges, we may have another pop in the crypto market. Okay. But know that there is some long interest down here that we could fall into. That being said, I would think it'd be more likely we'd move to the upside. If institutional money continues to do this, if they continue to buy, we're probably moving up. All right. This isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. And again, if you guys are curious, I do still have my long position open, doing quite well. Still 230% up. Again, if you guys do want to check out Margex, there is a referral link in the description below. Again, you can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC, but Everything's looking great, guys. That's all you need to know right now. And the biggest thing I've always stressed is just be patient. Let things play out. If you guys want to trade things up and down, by all means, go right ahead. Me personally, it's always been about the long term. All these fundamentals we've talked about for SHIB, kind of waiting for that right moment in the charts, waiting for SHIB to take its next leg. It's all playing out perfect. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Are you patiently waiting for SHIB to start making some of these bigger moves? Are you liking what you're seeing in the market? And do we have some very good times ahead? Appreciate you. Have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.